At 72, Margaret transformed her overflowing home into a peaceful sanctuary. Not in 48 days, not in 48 weeks, but in just 48 hours. And today, you'll learn her exact step-by-step system, the same one I've seen work for hundreds of seniors. Stay with me, because tip number 7 is the emotional game changer that makes your results last for years. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, if clutter is stealing your peace, this is your sign. In the next few minutes, you'll get 10 senior-specific hacks, a proven 48-hour schedule, and the emotional strategies that make it stick. And here's the truth. Seniors have an unfair advantage when it comes to decluttering. Let's start. Hack 1, the 5-second mercy rule. Every item gets 5 seconds to earn its place. Pick it up, count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and by 5 Mississippi, you've decided. Keep, donate, or toss. No maybe later pile. No, I'll think about it. Seniors have lived long enough to trust their gut. That first instinct, that's decades of wisdom talking. And when you move fast, you clear your space and your mind. Hack 2, the legacy box system. 3 boxes in every room. Box 1, everyday use. Box 2, legacy items, the sentimental treasures. Box 3, everything else. Here's the rule. Your legacy box can only be 20% of what you keep. This forces you to choose the best of the best. Your grandmother's china, legacy box. The other 45 coffee mugs, box 3, they go. Think quality, not quantity. You're curating your story, not keeping every chapter. Hack 3, room rotation method. Don't try to declutter the whole house at once. That's a recipe for exhaustion. Instead, work in 4-hour blocks, one space at a time. Here's the schedule. Saturday morning, master bedroom. Saturday afternoon, living areas. Saturday evening, kitchen counters and surfaces. Sunday morning, bathrooms and closets. Sunday afternoon, garage or storage. Short bursts keep your energy up and your decisions sharp. Hack 4, the 15-minute tornado. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Pick one drawer, one shelf, one small corner. Move fast, using the 5-second rule on every item. When the timer stops, so do you. Take a 5-minute break. It's not about perfection, it's about momentum, and every tornado makes the next one easier. Hack 5, future self-visualization. Close your eyes. Picture your home 1 year from now. Clean counters, organized closets, peaceful rooms. Now imagine explaining to that future you why you kept something that only caused clutter. Ask yourself, will my future self thank me for keeping this or for letting it go? Seniors understand we're not saving for someday. We're living for today. We've lived through enough to know most things aren't essential. That maybe I'll wear it sweater, 8 years you haven't. That gadget in the drawer, it didn't change your life then, and it won't now. Trust your first instinct. No research, no asking for opinions. You already know what matters. This is where clutter loses its emotional hold. The truth? Your memories aren't in objects, they're in you. Keep 1 or 2 of the most meaningful items from each category. Then, photograph the rest. Create a digital memory book. You can revisit those moments anytime without dusty boxes filling your home. Seniors understand memories live in our hearts, not in our storage closets. Choose a spot in your home, garage, spare room, or a corner. This is your donation station. Everything you're letting go of goes here immediately. Watching that pile grow, that's powerful motivation. 1 trip to donate after your 48 hours. No errands in the middle. No distractions. Before you start, have a direct talk with your family. Say, I'm decluttering this weekend to create a peaceful home. Please don't rescue items from my donation pile. If they want something, they have 1 week after your 48 hours to pick it up. Anything left? Gone. This keeps your progress safe from well-meaning interference. At the end of your 48 hours, do 3 things. 1, take after photos of every room. 2, write yourself a short letter about how you feel right now. Seal it. Keep it for the days you need motivation. 3, use your space. Invite someone over, cook a meal, or simply sit and enjoy the peace you've created. You're teaching your brain that decluttering isn't a chore, it's a reward. Let's recap. 1, 5-second mercy rule. 2, legacy box system. 3, room rotation method. 4, 15-minute tornado. 5, future self-visualization. 6, wisdom advantage. 7, memory preservation method. 8, donation station strategy. 9, family involvement protocol. 10, victory lap celebration. Margaret used all 10 and her home went from overwhelming to peaceful in just 48 hours. Which hack will you try first? Subscribe for more senior-specific decluttering and organizing tips every week. Next time, we'll cover the Senior's Guide to Smart Storage Solutions, so your home stays clutter-free.